Union Home Minister Amit Shah today said that drug trafficking is not only a threatening to the economic activities in the country but also put national security at risk. Addressing the gathering during the regional conference on drugs smuggling and national security in New Delhi, he said that to combat the issue of drug trafficking in India, a whole government approach is urgently required. He said the government has adopted a zero-tolerance policy against narcotics to create a drug-free India. Home Minister also called upon the state governments and agencies to work in tandem to achieve the target of drug-free India. He also informed that under the leadership of the Union Home Ministry, over 1,44,000 kilogram drugs worth 2,416 crore rupees have also been destroyed in various parts of the country by Narcotics Department.
जब हम मादक पदार्थों पर नकेल कसते हैं तो हमेशा एक बात को हमें ध्यान में रखना चाहिए कि भारत जैसे देश में मादक पदार्थों की तस्करी और उपयोग न केवल आने वाली नस्लों को बर्बाद करता है, परंतु वो राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा को भी प्रभावित करता है।